Hello and welcome to the NMS Prime channel. I'm Robin, and as you can see, I'm already logged into the NMS Prime demo system. I already clicked on provisioning on the left side and selected config files, and today I'm going to show you how to build your own interface. And for this demonstration I will use the Inbox F60 TR69 config file. So if you click on it, you may see this page at first, and if you scroll down you will see a new part which is called Build Your Interface. So that only appears if the config file is used by a real device, and on the right side you will see the parameters for this device, and on the left side you can create your own lists. For example, list 1 that could contain the provisioning code. I'm gonna name that one code, and list 2 could be the model name, let's say model name. And if you scroll up you will see in the config file parameters a new line which has been added, and if I accidentally delete that line and change something down here, for example I rename that list and go up, there is the string once again. But what happens if the string is not at the top but right in the middle, and we drag around these lists so that list number 2 comes at first, and we also drag in, for example, the device info, and then we scroll up and we will see the string has been changed accordingly. So if you accidentally delete one of those lists, like this one, delete, I just delete the list, the parameter that was in it will be right at the bottom of all the parameters. As you can see, here it is. And what I'm gonna do now is build 2 lists, one called description and one called traffic, and insert all the parameters that we want to see. And then I'm gonna show you the result and where you can see it in the system. So now I inserted a lot of parameters into these 2 lists called description and traffic, and you will see the string for this has become rather long. Here you can see a description, vendor, device and firmware, and in the second list called traffic is the interface status, bitrate and bytes received. And if you've done all this work, don't forget to click on the save button up here, because if you forget to click on it, the progress will be lost. After you've done all this and saved it, of course, you can head over to provisioning and then modems and select one of those Inbox F60s that uses this configuration, and there you will see the real-time values with our 2 lists created. Here once again the description with vendor, device and firmware, and the traffic list with interface status, bitrate and bytes received. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also subscribe to our newsletter if you want, located at nmsprime.com. You can also try out that new feature in our demo system, located at demo.nmsprime.com. The links can be found in the description, and as always, thanks for watching.